free Texas phone number with free calls and free SMS that you can use from anywhere around the world. Sounds impossible, right? Let me show you how. First, create a new account or log into Calilio if you already have one. Then, subscribe to one of our Calilio's plan. Once you are in, go to Numbers and click the plus icon to add a new number. In the search bar, select United States. Before you pick a number, Calilio has a useful feature called filters, which lets you choose numbers based on area codes. For Texas, there are multiple codes based on the city. Dallas uses 214 and 469, Austin uses 512 and so on. Pick one that fits your need. After that, choose a local number, add it to your card and give it a name. Here's the best part. Calilio provides you with one free local number. For any additional numbers, you'll need to pay accordingly. And another surprising thing, no documents are required for US or Canada numbers. Just complete the process and your number is activated. Now you have a Texas-based number you can use anywhere. Plus, Calilio gives one free virtual US or Canada number with free SMS and free calls. Sign up and grab your Texas phone number today.